red light.
No, it's still Pleasant.
It's been 5 minutes.
We just started. We were at a red light.
It's taking me over.
Me too. It's smooth sailing now. We should be on the way now. Yep. Yeah. Bit of complications, but you know, we're heading there. Yeah. It's confidential. All right. We going.
It's like the ultimate beach song.
Really?
Yeah. For some reason. I don't know why.
I don't know. All right, dude.
You can't do it.
What?
You gotta
Oh. This one's too small, but.
Yeah, do it, Dad.
Got it!
There we go! Let's
Keep right at the fork to stay on exit 91A, then turn right onto County Road
Popping off.
571.
Because a romantic sign.
It's so cute.
It's dead.
I still appreciate it.
It's dead. It's like lifeless. Look at it. We made it. We made it on the beach. You want sand?
I swam here.
You swam here.
I got you sand. Hold on a minute. Holy shit, it's like flying away.
It's actually flying away now.
It is.
We're not gonna keep it.
You better be Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins.
Mary Poppins, y'all. And Mom's just like scavenging the food right now. And then why the fuck do you want to come?
You can only come so much.
Just fucking going for it. This is Nick. He will write cunt. Speed. It's fucking.
This is gonna be a speed run.
Speed run. Yeah, I was gonna say. Speed run cunt. Speed run cunt. Shit. Yeah, just speed run cunt all over the beach. Oh, fuck. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh, fuck. Come on, man. Shit. Later. We're gonna go 2 miles on the beach just writing cunt on the beach.
Yeah, fuck 'em.
Alright, Matt, we're gonna run through that ocean.
I got it.
Alright? You're gonna run through that ocean. What are you doing? We're all prepping you up. You got this, man.
Yes.
You got this.
Why are you prepping me up for what?
You're running through the sea.
Why am I
Come on,
running?
higher. Come on, you got this. I'm trying to
No, you got it.
What the fuck? I'm not doing that.
No, you.
Oh shit. Look, feet content. What the fuck are they doing? Woo! Beach day, motherfucker! According to Nick, he can grow a Thanos cock. His original cock will fall off and then evolve into a Thanos cock. Big purple fucking eggplant. Gonna wipe out half of the fucking world.
balance, man.
Half covered in semen, half not.
Half not, yeah.
Your time has come. Now that makes sense. Alright, so Ahmed's gonna be doing this game. Ahmed, listen to me. Okay, alright? I want you to squirt as hard as you can inside the hole, alright? I want you to win them prizes by squirting.
I will fill up the whole thing.
Alright, Nick, listen to me, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I want you to win this. I want you to squirt hard as you can inside that hole.
I can come pretty fast.
Yeah, I'm only giving you this advice. I never gave anyone else this advice, alright? This is, you got this. You got this.
I'm water type, I got this.
You got the water type. Okay, good.
Oh, no, yes.
This is sad.
Nick.
No,
He's really gonna lose on this.
You don't realize how much I want this.
He's been on here for like a while.
It's worth it to me.
Fucking hell. Wish I'd never been born at all.
No, that's okay.
The way he does it.
The world turning inside out, yeah. Floating around in ecstasy, so don't stop me now. Don't stop me, 'cause I I'm having a good time, having a good time. Stop into the sky like a tiger from the laws of gravity. Jesus fucking Christ.
Okay, that's on you.
Oh, for fuck's sake.